Welcome everyone! Today is a day on the tractor tipping challenge! Yay! Woohoo! Yay! You don't even talk! I do now because I'm a NASCAR, just like in someone else from another place. Oh yeah, I've seen NASCAR videos. But they don't even have faces, so that's why it's boring sometimes. Alright, anyways, we have the tractor tipping challenge, where there's so many tractors waiting to be honked, and now one of them are asleep. Yeah, moo. There. Hey. You know what, let me remove one. Moo. Alright. Well, he's done. Wait a minute. So, how come, why is this your channel? It's because this is a TV show. Because a camera helicopter is right here. Wait, what? Oh. But it doesn't have a record. I don't care. Anyways, we have Lightning going to win. Yeah! Everyone cheers at me! Okay. And then we have the other side, Mater. Yay! Woohoo! Mater's so famous! Wait, what? How come I'm not famous? A little word, Lightning. It's because your first thing why they don't like you is because you never made a TV show. Mater has better TV shows, like Mater's Tall Tales, and you were in it. Some of them didn't like your model. Everybody hated when you died, but everybody cheered when you died when you didn't make it on the cliff. So that's why nobody likes you. What? But I was in 3 movies! Cars 2 had more characteristic Mater. What? Yeah, that's true. Didn't you watch the movie? Yeah, same. What movie? You know what? Let's not ask that. Anyways, tractor tipping race start now. Yeah. Come on. We gotta hurry up. Alright. Yeah. Moo. Yeah. Moo. 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 Get out of my way, you people. We're not people, we're cars. Moo. Alright, yeah. Moo. Moo. What? Oh yeah, Mater. I get to take this one. Moo. Oh no, you don't. Ah. Moo. So, who won? Alright, let me see. Wait. Alright. 1, 2... Wait a minute. This was Mater's, so I should count Lightning's. 2, 3, 4. Now let's see. 4. And 5. Let's see how many Mater did. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4? That's strange. How many tractors? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a minute. This does not make any sense. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Wait a minute. Lightning wins! Yeah! Everybody cheer at me! Yeah? You actually pushed us. Oh well, if anybody doesn't want to cheer at Lightning, cheer at Mater, because Mater really wins. Because he's the tractor tipping master, because Lightning cheated and pushed him. Yeah, I win! You know what? No one wins. What?